I will tell how to use PowerPoint from your mobile. The steps are as follows. We have PowerPoint app from Office Online or Office 365. Click here Office 365. When you have Office 365, it will show all the apps available with Office 365. Select the application you want to download. For this video, I am showing you the demonstration of downloading PowerPoint. Click on Microsoft PowerPoint slideshows. As in my device, it is already installed. So it is showing open and uninstall. Otherwise, you can install this application for creating wonderful slideshows and presentations. Then click on open. Once it is installed, click on open. Always it shows the updates, whatever updates are available for your PowerPoint when you open it. Now this is the dashboard or the home screen of your PowerPoint. As this is a small device, you can see it in the scrolling form. All these are the presentations saved under my Office 365 IDs. Office 365 IDs are those IDs which are associated with your organization. So you can log in it with your that particular ID. As I am already logged in, so it is not asking me to sign in. But if you are not signed in, you have to sign in with your Office 365 organizational IDs. And for creating a new presentation, click on plus. When you click on plus, it will open up options to open the presentations. If you want to create a blank presentation, you can click on blank presentation. Then when you have your blank presentation, the very first slide, as it comes in other slide options, it is showing you. You can click here and you can write down the title. Here you can double tap to enter the subtitle, and here you can write your text. Then at the bottom you have slide notes. Click on the slide notes option. Here you can enter the notes for the slide. Then for inserting a new slide, you can click on plus. At the bottom right corner, you have a symbol of sign plus. Here you can create the slides. By default, it is coming with the title and text slide, content slide. You can change the slide layout. At the exact bottom left corner, a button is there that allows you to set the layout options. Select the layout you want. And you can select any layout. For demonstration, I am taking picture and content. For picture, you can click here, and at the bottom you can see the camera icon and image icon available. If you are taking image from your device, you can click on the first icon. If you want to take image directly from camera, you can click on camera icon. Click on image icon to select the photograph. You can select the photograph and click on done. Again double tap to write. And type the content. Once you are done, click on tick mark given at the top left corner. So in this way you can create your slides. Again, when you have to open it, click on the pencil icon. It will allow you to edit the slides. So you can create slides as you create in your laptop or desktop, but with small restrictions, like it don't show you the option of automatic layouts, etc. Again, you can add new slides. Go to this slide, go to layout option. It will show you different layout options, like this is content option. You can insert table here. All the icons are given at the bottom. So you can apply different kind of table styles. In this way you can enter a table. Even you can delete the table. It will delete the entire table. All options are given at the bottom. So if you click on the exactly at the bottom right corner, you will see an arrow. If you click on that arrow, it will show you different options of menu. If you want to select any design, select on design, go to design, select theme, and you can select any theme you want to apply. Select the theme, it will be applied. So these are the small tips through which you can create your presentation very easily without, if you don't have any laptop or desktop device, you can enjoy your presentation creation using mobile device. So you can go to all these options. Then we will go to transition. In here you have transition effects, and you can apply different transitions. Apply to all option will apply transition to all the slides. You have effect options. Different effect options are there. Here I am applying smooth effect of fade. Now if we see the slideshow is ready to run. Now this is my slideshow, and it is coming very smoothly. So in this way you can create a presentation through your mobile phone. So if you rotate your device, you will see the exact style you have in your laptop screen. In the same way, the icons automatically moves when you rotate the device. When you click on plus sign, it will again add a new slide to it. Select the slide, and you can have your own presentation slides you want to create for. When you select the picture, click on done. So your picture is ready. Again double tap. Once everything done, click on tick. When you click on the tick at the top left corner, it will save your presentation. So when you come back, you are here with all your presentations saved on your OneDrive. That is again a part of your Office 365 ID. So it will open. If you want to change the name of the slideshow, you can click on the name of the file, like presentation 3 is given. Here I am giving the name of the file as weather. The name of the file is changed. So in this way you can create your own presentations. So wait for my next video through mobile PowerPoint app. Thank you so much.